Hi future homeowners! This is Karina Medel. Let me introduce to you our Samantha model here at Victoria South of Alabang by Brayton. Pasok po tayo! It is a very spacious and a luxurious single-detached unit with a lot area of 300 square meters and floor area of 195 square meters. As you can see, napakalawak ng area dito pa lang sa labas. Tara naman sa loob. Here's the living area. Grabe, ang ganda. Itong nakikita nyo, this is the actual turnover na mismo ng unit kapag nag-avail kayo. Here's the first room. Ang lawak. And may toilet and bath na rin dito sa loob. Tara naman sa second room. Here. May toilet and bath na rin dito sa second room natin. This room has a door going to the service area. Here's the kitchen area with provided kitchen cabinets up and down. And a big sliding door going to your veranda. Kahit sa likod, sobrang lawak pa rin ng space. Dito tayo pwedeng magpagawa ng swimming pool. Another sliding door here. And big window glasses. Tara naman sa second floor. We also have here wide stairs. Here's our third room. Then the master's bedroom with a balcony. Grabe, sobrang ganda and sobrang lawak. Nakaka-refresh talaga mag-relax dito. Tara! The master's bedroom has a very large toilet and bath with provided big cabinets. Yes, lahat po na nakikita nyo ay kasama sa turnover. Here are the cabinets with large drawers and divisions. We have two lavatories here. We have here the fifth room, which is malawak rin. And a toilet and bath. Then our favorite spot, the major balcony of this house na sobrang laki. This is where you can really see the heart and the beauty of Alabang. Malapit ito sa Evia Mall and MCX exit located just right in the heart of Alabang. If interested, just message us here at HomeRise by Brian and Karina Medel. We also handle different projects within South Luzon and Metro Manila. Thank you!